you are aware about the fact how in the 1921-22, when the violence has been erupted, so Gandhi has withdrawn its non-cooperation movement against the Britishers. So we can say that how the Gandhi has utilized, and Gandhi was strict towards his model of the Satyagraha. We need to Gandhi has said been levied by the Britishers. So Gandhi has done the Dandi March. That was a quite famous Satyagraha movement Gandhi has announced. And in this whole process, it was not against the tech formation of the salt, but it was a kind of campaign against the tax. The Britishers used to make tax on the salts also, so it was a kind of Gandhi's tool to question the tax and the tax on any object. So Gandhi was protesting in the what you call Dandi March that we are not going to pay any tax to the Britishers or the this kind of thing. So we have seen that how the Gandhi has utilized the salt, model of the salt tax. So in the Champaran that we have discussed about just now, that how in the Champaran 1916 when the peasant was forced to grow the indigo plant, as I have mentioned you that it has made the a kind of fertile land to the infertile land, and it has made a very bad condition to the land, and it is nowhere, it is a food. So many point of time the farmers many point of time the farmers were unable to eat anything because they had the indigo, but they were not capable enough to what you call the food. So Gandhi has utilized this tool against those kind of indigo plantation workers, and Gandhi has done the visit to the Champaran, and Gandhi has pressurized the British government to remove this false or pressurized kind of plantation to the indigo plant to the what you call Champaran district. So that was a kind of Indian soil satyagraha which has been started by the Gandhiji, and it was on the basis of the pressure. The agrarian law Bihar and the Odisha Act 1918 was passed, and so we can say that how this has been taken place in the successful manner. The another case which we have discussed is the Kheda Satyagraha. In the 1918, Gandhi has announced that peasants in the Kheda district were, due to the crop failure and due to the kind of what you call the production of the crop, and due to the plague, the farmers were unable to pay the taxes. So due to that, Gandhi has said that farmers are not capable enough to pay the taxes. So Gandhi has organized a kind of protest in the model of Satyagraha. Gandhi has said that cultivators not to pay land revenue till the demand of remission was made. So Gandhi has started this as a here is a model of Satyagraha. So we have discussed in that. Ahmedabad in 1918 again the Gandhi has utilized the Ahmedabad mill strike in the 1918, where the Gandhi has tried to negotiate with the mill workers and the demand of increase the wages, because the wages which has been given to the labor class was very less. So mill workers, so Gandhi has made the kind of satyagraha against the kind of for the salary to increase the 30% salary during that period of the time. And after 21 days strike, Gandhi has seen that how it was 35 increase of the workers has been demanded, and it was quite successful. In this satyagraha, we have seen that Aman Bala Sarabhai's sister Ansuya Ben was also there, and this is a quite famous thing. So till now, we have discussed that Gandhi has utilized these various tools of the Satyagraha in his life, and in his whole thing. What Gandhi has realized that this Satyagraha is a major tool through which Gandhi has tried to achieve the what you call the result, and Gandhi has achieved the result in this model. In this whole process of the Satyagraha, Gandhi has come across through several challenges. What are those challenges Gandhi has found to utilize the tool of Satyagraha? Gandhi has found the difficulty of integrating the interactive problem solving influential people. Many point of time, Gandhi has tried to participate or try to go for the strike, but it was not finding any interactive people to whom he can raise or he can protest. For example, in the Kheda district, the protest by the farmers, there he was not capable enough to whom he can talk or whom to with whom against whom he can do the satyagraha. So many point of time, Gandhi has realized that the major challenge is the how to interact with the problem solving or influential people in that whole protest. uh, uh, the second thing is the doesn't coincide with the Western view of dignity. Means he said that the all the individuals have their own choices, and this is very tough to identify that how we can pressurize self, and the other person can also being pressurized by the self sacrifice kind of thing. So he was talking about in that. Next problem Gandhi has found is the encourage the people to engage self-suffering. Means Gandhi has found that how he can compel the other person that the other person can also go for the hunger strike. Other person can also sacrifice the food, because Gandhi was ready to sacrifice his food, but how he can encourage to the other people to sacrifice their food. And next thing, Gandhi has realized the passive resistance, the peaceful protest. Gandhi has found that most point of time his protest has converted in the model of violence to like the non-cooperation movement. So major problem Gandhi has realized that most of the protesters, they are not believing in the peaceful protest or the passive resistance. They believe in the more violence-based kind of thing. So that was the major problem Gandhi has faced during this satyagraha. And the next thing Gandhi has realized that truth is can be translated into the various things, and most point of time the people were unable to utilize the truth. Last thing, what Gandhi has found that the means versus end. What is the means and the end? End is the goals, but whatever goal we are going to reach only through the model of means. So what Gandhi has said, that means is very important than the goal. Because for example, all of you want to become as a rich in the classroom, or you want to become as a rich in your life, but what method you are applying, that is important. So same thing like that, uh, we want to provide the freedom to the individual, that is important, but what method you are adopting, the method we should adopt call as a non-violence, the method we should adopt as a kind of self-sacrifice. We should not have to use the non-violence. So same thing like that, Gandhi has said that many point of time the people have utilized the wrong means. So Gandhi was talking about in that manner. So these were the main challenges and the opportunities Gandhi has found. Gandhi has successfully been utilized by the Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, and most of the person have utilized the tool of Gandhi's in their own country. Like Nelson Mandela has said that the method and the model which has been utilized by the Gandhi is still relevant, and Nelson Mandela has also continued the model and the method which has been used by the Gandhi. Same thing like that, the racial discrimination in the USA, in America, the Martin Luther King has also followed the model of the Gandhi. So we can say that Gandhi's model of Satyagraha is a tool how we can fight with the others, and how we can win the heart of opponent, and how we can live in a love and the cooperation and the coordination based kind of things. So these were the things through which we can say that Gandhi's concept of Satyagraha can be understand. At last, I would like to give you some analysis or some feedback about the Gandhi Satyagraha. Gandhi Satyagraha was really a true philosophy through which we can see that in modern world, in the contemporary era, many persons are following or utilizing the tools of protest like the Gandhi has said, protest like the Gandhi has used in his life. Either it was the case of South Africa, either it was the case of India. So we can see that how the Gandhi has utilized the various tools of protest, or to convince the opponent, or to pressurize the opponent, by the model of Satyagraha. So it can be said that Satyagraha, the tool has been used by the Gandhi, is correct, and that is quite correct method through which we can win the heart of opponent and we can defeat the others. What are those negative points in this whole Gandhi's model of the Satyagraha? We can say that the Gandhi's Satyagraha have many loopholes. Some problems are there. First, the problem has been raised by some scholar. It is very much idealistic, means that most person cannot capable enough to sacrifice their food, because if we cannot capable enough to live ourselves, for example, if I am fasting that under until the hunger is adult, I will do the hunger strike till the death. What does it mean? If I will die without food, how I will achieve my objective, how I can pressurize the other? I will mean sacrifice my life, but it will not get the result. So many person have questioned that you cannot pressurize any other person till the time you means on the basis of fasting or hunger strike. That is not the solution. The next critique of the Gandhi's Satyagraha is the how you can identify that what is truth and the untruth. For one person, the truth can be for of what you call the untruth, or it is lie. But for other person, that can be truth. So truth have several shades, several colors. So to identify the truth is very tough task. The next critique, the next question which has been raised by the Gandhi is that Gandhi has utilized the tool of Satyagraha, but how far Gandhi was capable enough to purify the minds of Indians? How far the Gandhi was capable enough to purify the mind of the South Africans? So that is been a question in the Gandhi's Satyagraha. But overall, if we can conclude the Gandhi's philosophy on the Satyagraha, we can say that Gandhi has tried to utilize a tool through which we can win the heart of opponent, we can win the heart of opposition, and it is not winning the heart of the opposition, but without harming any self and the other person, we can do the victory, and that victory is not for the short basis, but that victory will be the long basis. That's why in the contemporary era we can see that most of the countries, all the countries in the world, they are following the models of the Gandhi's Satyagraha. So if any student have any queries or any questions, so you can ask me in the, you can ask me. अगर किसी कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है, कोई क्वेश्चंस है, तो आप पूछ सकते हो. सुहानी, लवन्या, प्रेरणा.